Dear students, in this module, we shall discuss the role of ion channels in electrical responses of excitable membranes. You know that plasma membrane has many integral proteins that function as ion channels. These ion channels have very particular role in the electrical responses of electrically excitable cells. There are many types of ion channels. These include the resting potassium selective channels, voltage gated ion selective channels, ligand gated ion selective channels, and stimulus specific ion channels. We shall discuss the resting potassium selective channels first. The resting potassium selective channels are uniformly distributed over the entire surface of the plasma membrane of excitable cells. They always remain open. They are mainly responsible for the maintenance of resting membrane potential. They are also responsible for the passive changes that take place during the action potentials. Voltage gated ion selective channels are the channels which make the cell membrane excitable. They are responsible for nearly all the electrical signals produced in the living tissues. These channels are not distributed on the entire surface, but they are localized to particular regions of the plasma membrane, for example, axonal membrane of neurons. Active changes in membrane potential in response to depolarizing ionic current depend on opening of these channels. These voltage gated ion channels exhibit ion selectivity, allowing only one or a few species of ions to pass through them. There are many types of voltage gated ion channels which are named for the ionic species they allow to pass through them. इसमें voltage gated sodium channels, voltage gated calcium channels, voltage gated potassium channels और calcium activated potassium channels included हैं. वोल्टेज गेटेड सोडियम चैनल्स को हम फास्ट एक्टिंग चैनल्स कहते हैं क्योंकि ये डिपोलराइजेशन के नतीजे में एक्टिवेट होते हैं और राइजिंग फेज ऑफ एक्शन पोटेंशियल प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. इनकी एक्टिवेशन डिपोलराइजेशन के साथ ही हो जाती है, इसमें कोई डिले नहीं होता. वोल्टेज गेटेड कैल्शियम चैनल्स भी एक्टिवेट होते हैं डिपोलराइजेशन से, बट दे open more slowly as compared to sodium channels. Their opening allows calcium ions to enter the cell where they have to act as second messenger. The voltage gated potassium channels are also activated by depolarization but very slowly. So they are called delayed rectifiers. In contrast to the previous two channels, that is calcium and sodium channels, when potassium channels open, they allow the outflow of potassium ions. As a result, they repolarize the cell and terminate an action potential. Many cell membranes also have calcium activated potassium channels. They are also activated by depolarization, but only when there is an elevated calcium ion concentration in the cytosol. जब साइटोसोल में कैल्शियम आयन की कंसंट्रेशन ज़्यादा हो तो तब ये कैल्शियम एक्टिवेटेड पोटाशियम चैनल्स ओपन होते हैं एंड दे रिमेन ओपन as long as potassium ion concentration remains high in the cell. तीसरी टाइप आयन चैनल्स की लिगेंड गेटेड आयन चैनल्स है। दे आर एक्टिवेटेड व्हेन स्पेसिफिक लिगेंड मॉलिक्यूल्स बाइंड टू रिसेप्टर साइट्स। ये डिपोलराइजेशन से ओपन नहीं होंगे, बल्कि जब इनके साथ कोई लिगेंड का मॉलिक्यूल बाइंड करता है, ये लिगेंड कौन से हैं, इनमें सेकंड मैसेंजर मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं और न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स हैं। जब ये बाइंड करते हैं तो तब ये चैनल्स ओपन होते हैं। लिगेंड बाइंडिंग के नतीजे में इन चैनल्स में कन्फर्मेशनल चेंज आती है। एज ए रिजल्ट इनके चैनल गेट्स ओपन होते हैं और इनफ्लक्स ऑफ आयन स्टार्ट हो जाता है। इन चैनल्स के अलावा देयर आर stimulus specific ion channels present in certain membranes of sensory organs. Ion channels, these ion channels are activated by stimulus synergies. They are found in sensory receptor cells. For example, specific ion channels are found in photoreceptors, which are activated by light. Another type of ion channels are found in the taste buds and olfactory organs. Olfactory neurons, they are activated by chemicals. Similarly, ion channels in mechanoreceptors are activated by mechanical strain.